I have this Easter cutout. You can find this at chalkitupfancy.com. And inside this little bag are these little keys, that's what we're going to call them, and the word Easter. I'm going to start by taking the first egg and painting it in Higgins Lake. And I'm going to take each key, and it has this front little portion that I'm going to paint in the color of the egg that it's under. You're going to need a key for each egg, and I believe there's going to be an extra one in your package in case you have any issues. My next egg is going to be goldenrod, then mandarina, and then I'm going to repeat this pattern on the next 3 eggs. Higgins Lake, goldenrod, and mandarina. Again, making sure that I hit the front of the key with that color of that egg. I'm going to take white and put it on Easter, which is our snow owl, and I'm going to do chocolate on our stand. There's 2 pieces. There's a top and a bottom piece of the stand. I'm going to take my key and a piece of jute. I'm going to take the jute and put a knot on one end, and I'm going to thread it in the first hole of my key. There's going to be 4 holes. So the first one, I'm going to go up, make sure there's a knot, and I'm going to go down in the second hole. And I'm going to make a bunny ear, so you're going to kind of want to see what size you want. Once you establish that, you're going to go up the 3rd hole and then down the 4th hole, and you want to stop so that both bunny ears are the same size. And then you're going to put a knot at the bottom of that jute on the other side of the wood portion of the key. You're going to cut your excess jute, and then I just put a little bit of hot glue to make sure that my knot does not unravel. And here you have 1 key. I'm going to go through and do all 6. And then once I'm done, I'm going to take my stick fast glue. I'm going to put it on the back side of my egg. I'm going to pick my key that's going to match that color, and I'm going to poke it through that hole. And I'm going to do this on each egg. Again, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back side of the egg and push my key through from the back side. I did this with all 6 eggs, and now I'm ready to put my letters on. I'm going to take my glue. Sometimes I use a Q-tip to help me apply the glue because you need just a very little bit with this stick fast, and it holds and dries quite quickly. And I went through and put all my letters down. Then I'm going to glue my Easter into my first panel. The second panel I did not have to paint, and then I'm going to glue this to the bottom. I have these 5 daisies. I'm going to paint them in our snow owl and then put the goldenrod in the center of each daisy. Once this dries, I'm going to glue them between each egg. This kit is available on our webpage, chalkitupfancy.com. You can either get it with paint or without paint. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.